on right now. We have Style Director of Dressing Jane, Elisa Frederico, here to go through some of the great trends. So we'll start with you, denim on denim. This looks great.
Thank you. Denim on denim. So we've talked about it in previous seasons, but now we're really going for it, and we're putting it into business silhouettes like this. You can do a blazer. I've got the really great 70s flare jean on from Express, and what I love about it, it's not super stretched, but it has just the right amount of stretch for the perfect fit.
Is she loud enough? Let me just put you mic a little bit louder. We're gonna push this up here a little bit. When I love these 80s shoulder pads, so I feel like total 80s vibes right here, where I have the whole, like, this is like right out of Dynasty. I have my power sleeves on. Susaria remembers this one. Really boxy and, you know, really like almost like Talking Heads cut. So 80s.
And that's really what you want to look for, is you want to look for kind of the boxier silhouette, a little bit oversized, right. And then loving that color. We're going to see a lot of mustard into from fall into spring.
Let's bring in our models. We'll take a seat. We'll bring in our first model, and you can sit over here. Oh, this looks very collegiate vibes to me.
Okay, so the things that we want to talk about here that are important are, number one, the color red, Karen. Okay, pink, it is time to take a back seat, and I want you to pay attention to red. The second thing we want to pay attention to here is the maxi skirt. Maxi skirts are going to be everywhere. Now, I'm showing this styled in a way that is untraditional, because we know how to dress up a maxi skirt. We're going to see this guy at Christmas, but I want to show this in a way that seems like everyday and super athleisure, but really incorporating a maxi.
Let's go Phillies, Red October. All right, thank you. Our next model. What is the look that we're going for here? I like the cardigan.
Yes, so this is Brittany, and we're calling this Varsity Vibes. And what I want you to do is look for things that have those traditional collegiate feels to it. So stripes, the V-necks, the patches, things that are just really fun and kind of scream from the 80s, that traditional like Gap
Tommy
vibe.
Hilfiger,
yes.
Polo. We would always go back to school, fall, all that together. And anybody can wear that look, which is nice. It's classic and it's just great.
Absolutely. And then to pay attention to the denim. I've been talking about denim getting baggier and baggier, and then again, cargo details. Don't be afraid to wear cargo pants.
Oh my gosh, it's all back.
It's all back.
Cargo, the varsity sweaters. I hope you didn't throw it away, guys.
Exactly, but I like to do these styles. Like you want to put on, instead of a sneaker, throw on a boot or a point toe pump. It just kind of elevates the vibe versus make it feel the first time we wore it.
And right, and it's always back to the boots. All right,
yes.
Those are lovely. Thank you so much. Let's bring in our next look. Thank you, Brittany. Now, really, silver.
Guys, silver. Metallics are everywhere. You are not getting away from them. But what I want to show you is that you can put them into everyday dressing, okay? So we're taking this really crazy silver pant, but I've paired it down with an easy black t-shirt, a boxy oversized blazer, and then again, to make it elevated, the pump. So this feels wearable, even though it's this really bright and loud silver pant.
So I'm looking at the cargo pocket on it, so it's sort of almost like a cargo silver.
Yes.
Are we going to see a return of the, like, oh my gosh, Hammer Time? The MC Hammer pants, those are not coming back.
Listen, do not sleep on MC Hammer drop crotch, okay, Karen? You know what, that's it. I'm going to give that to you next. I'm making sure I do a post just for you. Yes, you are.
Thank you so much. All right, and our last model, we have to always throw in a coat.
Of course, and this is really like this Parisian chic vibe, and what I mean by that is, number one, stripes. Put stripes into your wardrobe in some way. Pair it back with a great A-line skirt. An important feature here is going to be this trench coat. Everybody needs a trench coat for this season. And then down to the shoe, the penny loafer. The basic penny loafer is back, and I love pairing this with this whole little Parisian vibe.
I'm a big fan of the penny loafer. It has all that. It reminds you of school vibes, of a high school, very traditional, very classic. I'm seeing a lot of classic things. Also, I love the nail color. To me, it's like, I'm going to get the nails done today. It's time to like switch that clock and switch over to the dark nails.
You're right. You're right, absolutely. And she screams fall, and the thing is, we saw these penny loafers last year with lug soles. I like that it's refined, and I like that it's back to a classic silhouette.
With the flatter one. All right, let's bring in all of our models. Nicely done. Elisa, you always do it. Where can people check out your stuff?
Oh, you can find me on Instagram at dressing_Jane.
We love that. Ladies, thank you, each and every one of you, looking fabulous, as always. So hopefully you'll get your fall wardrobe changed over. That's a great project to do in the rain, is like get rid of the summer wardrobe. Thank you.
Thank you.